Hi, this is Suzuk, and I would like to talk to you today about the Inupiaq Spelling Bee and how you might make adjustments to incorporate your own dialect. Before I do, I just want to express my appreciation for Frida Dan in organizing and running the Inupiaq Spelling Bee. And I would like to thank all the coaches for giving this opportunity to your students. It is so excellent that we have this chance to do this together. And I hope that this video will help make you comfortable with using your dialect so that your students can participate. This is one way you might consider adapting your practices for Inupiaq Spelling Bee. Take your list of words. Here are the meanings or the English translation of each of these words in the first practice. I'm from Shishmraf, and I highlighted the words that we don't use. Instead, we use kyun for kigun, or we use iwok instead of ivek. If you look down here at sayu, for tea, we do use the word sayu, but if I saw it this way, I would pronounce it sayu instead of sayu. So we start with the original list. Keep in mind that this is about spelling, so they are grouped based on the letter sounds, not on their meanings. I've highlighted the words that I would consider changing for a practice that I would hold in Shishmraf, and replace them with words that have the same sounds but make more sense in my dialect. I do want to point out that I have left this box of CH words in here. We don't have words that have CH in our dialect, and so I want to make sure that my students get a chance to practice them. I hope this helps you to feel comfortable with participating in Inupiaq Spelling Bee while honoring your dialect and the process throughout the state.